Alright, let's look at the homework 10.3, problem number 3. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we want to find the Cartesian coordinate. Actually, we have the Cartesian coordinate, and we want to find the corresponding polar coordinates. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first thing I would do is we have to find r. Alright, for part A, part I, r is positive. So r is going to be simply square root of x squared, so 6 squared, plus y squared, so it's a negative 6 squared. Alright, so this is going to be, so this is really 2 times 6 square root, so it's a 6 square root of 2. Alright, so that part is very easy to find. Alright, then the angle. Alright, so I drew a picture on the xy plane, so here's the point. 6 comma negative 6. So we just need to find the angle between 0 to 2 pi. Right? So the angle that we're looking for is the angle from here all the way there. So that would be, so this is 45 degree here because it's a 1 by 1 by square root of 2. So this is going to be, let's see, 1 quarter before 2 pi, so it's 7 pi over 8 would be the angle. So 7 pi, actually, sorry, over 4. No, I messed that up. Right, so this is over 4. Alright. Alright, and part 2, we want to take r to be a negative value, so it's going to be negative 6 square root of 2. Alright, so what we need to do is we have to actually have an angle on the opposite side like that, so that if you take the negative r value, you get to the right place. So this is actually the angle we're talking about, so we're going from here to there. So that's going to be a 3 pi over 4. So this is 3 pi over 4. Alright, let's type it in first. Alright, so this is 6 square root of 2, right, comma, right, it was a 7 pi over 4. Right, then part 2 is negative 6 square root of 2, comma, 3 pi over 4. Alright, let's check this one first. Alright, submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part A correctly. Alright, so let's look at the part B. Alright, so part B, so we do the same thing. So r is going to be equal to square root of, negative 1 squared, which is going to be 1, and square root of 3 squared. So it's going to be square root of 4, which is 2. Alright, so we know that this is going to be 2 here, and this is the negative version, negative 2 there. Alright, so we look at this angle here. So since it's a 1 by square root of 3, so this is a 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree triangle. The angle we're looking for, the first one, would be this angle right here. Alright, so that's going to be, let's see, so that's going to be 4 pi over 6. Alright, because so that's going to give you, let's say 30 degrees, so it's going to be 120. Right, so this is 4 pi over 6, which is going to be 2 pi over 3. Same thing, right? Right, so this is 2 pi over 3. Alright. Alright, for the negative one, so we have to go to the opposite side like that. So we're looking for the angle here. Alright. So it looks like this is going to be 4 pi over, actually, sorry, I messed that up. It's going to be 5 pi over 3. Alright, so angle is 5 pi over 3. Alright, so let's type it in. All right, we got 2 comma 3 pi over 3, and the negative 2 comma 5 pi over 3. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.